babies, welcome to my channel and thank you for tuning in. My name is Kimberly and today's video is going to be a makeup brush review video / first impressions. Yes, I received these gorgeous brushes from Revlon and they're brand new brushes and I just knew when I received them that I would be making this video. So, if you want to see these brushes and whether they are a yay or a nay, stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you get notified each time I post a new video. And that's enough talking. Right now, let's get to the brushes. I received these gorgeous brushes from Revlon and it came wrapped in this, which is basically, it says basically introducing Revlon's new brush collection, and then it mentions all the different brushes and their pricing on there. This is the pouch that the brushes are in. La, do, 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 do. And when you open it up, it rolls out, and look at these brushes, baby. It is so cool that they come in this pouch because I have brushes all over the place. This is just gonna make life so much easier for me. And basically, these are tested for high quality performance. They are vegan and they're perfect for all skin types. Now, the bristles are synthetic and they have an antibacterial coating to keep them clean. Oh, it feels so soft. I wish you guys could feel it. This is the Kabuki brush. And it's a mini brush and it's very cute. It goes for $15.99 and you can buy all these brushes on Revlon.com. By the way, this video is not sponsored at all. I'm making it because I think these brushes are absolutely stunning and I wanted to show it to you guys. So you guys, you know, in case you're looking for brushes, you can check them out. I'm gonna do my makeup. So I'm gonna start with the foundation brush. This one. And it's so pretty. It goes into a pointy shape, the handle. It says on it Revlon, and then it has the red and I think it's black, almost bluish, dark bluish bristles. I keep touching them because they're so soft. But yeah, so it's like a flat brush and it's perfect for, you know, dabbing on your foundation, that's what I'm going to be doing right now. Here we go. And this brush, the foundation brush, is $14.99. I'm doing this really fast, guys, because I don't want you guys to have to be watching the whole thing. Like, oh, it's just so I have a first impression, and you guys too, of how these brushes feel on your skin. This is going to be makeup in under 5. Watch, guys. I'm going to set a world record here. And you guys know me, guys. First of all, my reviews are not fake reviews. If I don't like something, I will let you know. I have to say, ooh, the brush stays pretty clean even though I did all that, huh? Nice. Yes. Good. It feels soft on your skin. And maybe I'd say it's a little draggy on the skin. It's not as smooth, but it definitely gets the job done, as you can see. Okay, now let's move on to the powder brush. The powder brush, which is usually the biggest brush in the bunch, is $17.99. This is the powder brush. It's similar with the black handle and the same color hairs and everything, and feels really good in your hand. So let's put on powder. Really super fast. And there. Next, what we're going to do is brush our eyebrows. And for that, we're using the Lash and Brow Brush, which is $8.99. One side is a spoolie brush and the other side is a slanted brush. I'm just going to brush my brows up. So this brush, fabulous. The powder brush, by the way, fabulous too. it's a little lighter to me than the foundation brush. It feels much nicer in your hand. The foundation brush, I think it was a little, it didn't glide over my skin so smoothly. The next brush is the all over shadow brush. It's the same black brush with the pretty red, partially red hairs. And I am going to use my NYX Off Tropic palette just because I love this palette. And I'm just gonna be applying a light shade all over just to see how this brush would work. If it does a good job. It picks up the product very nicely. And I would buy this brush. Yes, yes, yes. This brush is $10.99. $10.99, guys. We're gonna go and add some color to our crease, and we're using the Crease shadow brush for it. And that one has a little rounded tip like this. We're gonna use a transition color. We're gonna use this brownish color here. This brush, the Crease shadow brush, is $10.99 also. I would highly, if you like doing your crease really precisely, I'd say this brush would be ideal. For me, I would pass on this brush simply because I do not really use a specific crease brush. I normally just use a blending brush, which is the next one. The blending brush, also $10.99, and a blending brush always has a bristly top like this. And we're gonna use it to add some color. Let's see. I'm just gonna add some green all over my lid. Oh, I like how it doesn't deposit a heavy load of color. And this is a very pigmented palette. And it's still nice and light, so you can build it. I think this is my favorite brush in the whole set so far. It's really light in your hand. It feels really good. It deposits the product really nicely. It's soft on your eye. It's easy to use. Wow. Am I getting paid for this? I am actually not, guys. But I love this. This is fabulous. Look at these brushes. If you're gonna get any brush, any of these brushes so far, I'd say get this one. It's the winner so far. By far, I love this brush. Oh, yes. Okay, now don't look at my eyes. I am not sure where this is going. But if I end up looking like a clown, it's all in good fun. Now, I'm going to go in back with that Crease shadow brush because I want to put in a little highlight there. And my foot is falling asleep, guys. So I'm just adding a little yellow. Oh, this really looks really nice. I look like a bird. Okay, so after the eyes, let's see what other brushes we have left. We have this gorgeous blush and contour brush. It's like a quarter oval almost. And we are going to apply some of our Buxom blush. This brush is the blush and contour brush. And it's $11.99. And it's another one of my favorites. The next brush that we have left is let's see, a buffling foundation brush, which is basically also to apply your foundation, but it's like a flat brush. Very nice. And this brush, the buffling foundation brush, is $14.99. So far, I have not seen any brushes that are more than $20. So it's good. The last brush I have left is the highlighter brush. It's $10.99, and I have a feeling this is going to be my other favorite, just because I love its function. So I have my Becca Cosmetics highlighter here. And let's see how it works. It's very cute. I like this brush. And we're just gonna apply a little bit here. I don't know if you guys can see it because with highlight, it's always like you have to be in the right light. I love this brush. Now I'm just gonna apply some lipstick and then we're done. And then I'll come back and I'll review the brushes with you guys one more time. And yeah, we'll see which one is the winner. So about the brushes, I have to say, the brushes, first of all, the look of the brushes, they're absolutely stunningly gorgeous. Like jewelry for your vanity, absolutely gorgeous. My least favorite brush, let me start with that, would have to be the foundation brush, guys. And that's the flat brush, this one. Because it's kind of, you kind of really have to drag it across your skin, you know, to just distribute the product all over. It's a little bit heavy too. So this is my least favorite brush of the whole bunch. My favorite brush, I have a couple, is definitely the blush and contour brush, because this is so unique. This shape, it's so beautiful and it just like flows on your skin. Absolutely my favorite. Another favorite that I have is definitely the blending brush that I just used for the green on my eye. And basically just to blend it all out, which is perfect, and it's light, it's little, it's perfect. This is another favorite. And then my final favorite brush is the highlighting brush, because it's so soft and so beautiful the way it goes on your skin. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely would get this brush if I saw it in the store. Yeah. Now, these other brushes that are left, I'd say they're worth it. I think the powder brush could have been a little maybe more fluffy, because I like a real fluffy brush to do my whole powder on my face rather than a more stiff kind of brush. But overall, I have to say these brushes are absolutely stunning. If you are looking for a good brush, I absolutely say check out REVLON.com. Yeah. Honestly, I would rate these out of 10. I would give them a 8.5. Only because this brush is a little bit heavy and the way it just moves over your skin is not so great. And because the powder brush is not real fluffy as I want it to be. But that's just my personal preference, you know. You might like it. So other than that, I think this is absolutely stunning. So 2 thumbs up, Revlon. And that was my review for today, guys. So I hope you guys liked it. Sound off in the comments below. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys want to see next. So I'll see you guys again later. And that's it. I hope you guys liked the video.